Good afternoon. This is Rose Altadonna, owner of Trevuis Eyes, Nails, Body, and Laser Spa. You just saw a preview of how we sterilize our pedicure bowls for 10 straight minutes after each and every service that we do here at Treuvis. We really care about your health and well-being here, so if you're not getting your pedicure bowl sterilized for 10 straight minutes at the salon that you go to, you could be putting your feet and your toes in jeopardy of getting a fungus. So enough about funguses. We don't want to talk about funguses, but something worth knowing when you get your pedicure done. Some of the things that we've got coming up going into summer is Trevuis After Dark. Trevuis After Dark is going to be a kind of like a ladies' night. We're planning on rolling that out in June, and it's going to be where we're going to be opened one Thursday of every month till about midnight, and we're going to do all kinds of fun raffles here. We're going to be we're thinking about bringing a DJ in. We're going to be having a semi-open bar, which is going to have wine and mimosas. So look for that. If you're interested in coming here on a Thursday evening and being part of our ladies' night at Treuvis After Dark, please put some comments on the YouTube channel here at the Treuvis Beauty channel. We want to hear if this is something that you would be interested in doing, coming to the salon, you know, after hours till midnight. So until then, until next week, we'll catch you next time. Thank you so much for tuning in at the Treuvis Beauty Network.